Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today I got a call. Actually got the call last night. Customer was willing to wait all night as long as I showed up this morning. Said that's fine. So we got a no heat call on a triangle tube boiler that just recently he finished paying off the loan, and once he paid off the loan, this thing's been nothing but problems ever since. So I kind of feel bad, you know. A couple nights ago he called me and I walked him through resetting it, but this time around he's not able to reset it. It's in lockout mode right now. Failure of ignition. So in a way, I'm not really looking forward too much to this one, because I know if I gotta go get parts, I gotta run, usually with the triangle tubes, I gotta run all the way to Providence, Rhode Island to get parts, which I'm in Massachusetts, so it's about a 35 to 45 minute drive one direction. So we'll see what's up with it. Hopefully I can get in touch with tech support, get it locked out, get a few things tested, and see what's up. Alright, I'll check back in. Alright, we're back at it. Triangle tube, Prestige. I was able to hit this button and then the OK, and it reset, came back online. I'm letting the house get up to temperature right now. It's been freezing for the last few days. Bit of a ghost problem. You see, we got flame in the firebox, no problem. I'm gonna let it heat up, and I'm gonna take that igniter out, clean the igniter. Maybe I'll take this sensor out, and that sensor, cross sensor. It's tough when you reset it and they come back online. A little bit easier when they either work or they, don't work at all. This unit has been cleaned. I've cleaned it in the past. I did not do this install. I've replaced this motor. Not sure if I replaced that motor last year or the year before. Possibly the year before, last 2 years ago, something like that. She's on. She's fired up. It was installed 2012. It's 2014, 2024 right now. It's installed 2012. It's 2024 right now. Starting to get warm. Starting to get a little warm. Shows you 70 in, 80 out. Second's coming back a little warm, which is good. First floor's a mess. They got this whole thing throttled down on them. The throttle's down to 3/4. Throttle's right down to 3/4. What a mess. Oh boy, what a mess. condensing. Not that great though, but it is condensing. I think I'm gonna cut this. I can re-glue this 90, face it down. That way no air's blowing in to knock it out, which could be an issue. Used to have a tree over here previously, right there. Used to be a tree that would completely block this from the air. I think before I leave, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cut this, flip it down. Look through that. I got handbag right ready to go. Set up this little heater to take the chill out. Usually do that in some of these houses. It's colder up, you know, in the house than it is outside sometimes. Alright, I'll check back in. I'm going to look through the manual, see if there's a official reset steps. All right. So I got this thing disassembled. I got the igniter out. I can catch it, but a little dirty, so I'm gonna clean it up. We'll see how that works out. So I'm putting the igniter back in. I don't want to take this off right now in the middle of winter, because if this gasket breaks, I'm going to be SOL if I can even get a new one. I've had trouble with that already. So I just want to fix the problem that we're having, and I don't want to create more problems. So we clean that igniter up. I'm going to put that back. Hopefully that's going to get him going for the rest of the winter. I'm going to tell him if he wants me to do a cleaning on it to check inside, get me back here in the summer. That way we're not down and out, you know, in the winter. If the problem persists and I do go down the line, then I will open it up. But if I can get away with not ruining this gasket and open it up, because this is a different style, I don't know if this is going to be completely stuck to each side and break apart when I pop that open. So try to avoid that if we can. All right. Together. Gonna have to just zip tie this. Nice. See how it sounds. Ignition. So she fired up, no problem. We'll see how this works out. Clean the igniter. Flip the 90 on the flue down. Cleared the sediment out of the condensate. All right. Peace.